Here we go. Are you ready? Letter E. Letter E. Can you say the letter E? E, E, E. Say E, E, E. Egg. Elephant. Envelope. Letter E. Letter E. Letter E, E, E. Letter E, E, E. Eggs in the pan, Eggs in the pan, Eggs in the pan, Crack that egg, Eggs in the pan, Eggs in the pan, Eggs in the pan, Crack that egg, Let's get to cooking. Come on. We're gonna go to the store and we're gonna find the letter E's. Let's see how many we can find. All right, we're gonna do a little shopping, so let's get a cart. Whoa, we walked in and we found eggs. What's next? Sammy found Eggo waffles and more eggs. Oh, we're gonna need these for baking later. Uh-oh, that one's cracked, Sammy. You better put that one back. Oh, Ollie found some. What can we find next? Look at that. There's 2 E's and another E. Sammy found another E. Happy dance, happy dance. And another letter E. Great job, Sam. Put it in the cart. Happy dance, happy dance. Good job. Another E on Encrustables. And 2, 3, 4 E's. There's even E's on the wall. Look at that, Sam. Oh, brownies. Put those brownies in the cart and it's time to go. Welcome back. We're home and ready to make our brownies. Brownie dance. First, what are we going to do? First, we are going to put our brownie batter into our bowl. So that dry powder is going to go into the bowl. All right, Ollie, I'll take the trash and I'm going to throw it in the sink. Then next, we are going to need some vegetable oil. And I already have it pre-measured out. And here you go, Ollie. You can pour it in the bowl. Pour, 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 pour. Pour and pour and pour and pour. Ollie, I think you got it. That's good. All right. And we are going to need some water. Water, Ollie. Can you put your water into this bowl? Nicely done. Water dance. Water dance. All right, Mr. Ollie, what are we going to need next? What else goes in our brownie mix? An egg. All right. Hey, Ollie, what kind of shape is an egg? It's an oval. What are we going to do with this egg? Crack it. Clonk. Look at that. Into the brownie mix. Now, Ollie, what are we going to do? We're going to take our spoon and we're going to mix it up. Not with your face. Use the spoon, Ollie. Mix, 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 mix. Can you use your hand and help Ollie mix this brownie batter? Go round and round. Round and round and round and round and round and round and round. Mix, mix, mix. Can you go fast? Fast and fast and fast and fast and fast and fast and mix. I think Ollie's hands are getting tired. Oh, Ollie, make sure you hold the bowl. I'm going to go get the pan and I'm going to preheat the oven. Oh, hi, Ollie. Hi. Ew, that's a goofy face. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Ollie, you're doing a fantastic job mixing that brownie mix. Oh, here I come with the pan. Look at the bottom, though. We got to scrape the bottom. I can see it down there. Fast, 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 fast. Can you guys help me mix it this time? Mix fast, fast, fast. Ooh, look, it's chocolate. Mmm. Nice and chocolatey. Wonderful. All right, time to pour this brownie batter in the pan. Thanks, Ollie. Uh-oh. I dropped the bowl. Let me get the spatula and scrape this chocolate off the side. Good grief. That's okay. Accidents happen. We're just gonna fix it. Look at that. I've got a spatula and Ollie has a spoon, and we're using some good teamwork to get all of that brownie batter out of that bowl. Nice. Let me see that spoon, Ollie. We're going to scrape the spoon off. And, yeah, into the sink. There we go. Let me scrape the sides because we want all of that yummy brownie mix to go into that pan. Because who doesn't want a lot of brownies? Oh, I do. Brownies are fantastic. And those eggs are going to make that brownie so good and fudgy. Yum, yum. Into the sink. Next, scrape that side of that. Tap, tap, tap. Into the sink. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. Stomp, stomp, stomp. I like to do that. Yep. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. And brownies. It's craft time, craft time. Don't you want to do a craft with me? It's craft time, it's craft time. Don't you want to do a craft with me? Do you like that new song? I just made it up. I'm so excited about today's craft. We're really going to use our imagination today. What are our supplies that we need? We're going to need 2 pieces of paper, 1 white, 1 red, some crayons, 1 rectangle Lego brick, some brown or black paint, and you're going to need something to pour the paint on as well, because we're going to be using that Lego brick for stamping. All right, you guys, what's our first step? Take your white paper and you're going to draw an oval. Do you remember that an egg is the shape of an oval? Can you draw an oval on your paper? Let me see. Great job! Next, on your oval, we're gonna draw a face. And I'm gonna give you a hint. We're gonna make it Humpty Dumpty. So you're gonna make him a happy little face. I put a bow tie and some happy cheeks on there and gave him some blue pants. And after I drew his face, I'm gonna color him in, give him lots of little color. Although eggs can be white or brown or speckled or blue. I know, that's crazy. I've seen a blue egg before though. But you know what? I'm going to leave Humpty Dumpty white today. So I'm just going to color his face and his little bow tie and his blue pants. But what happens to Humpty Dumpty? He cracks. So you know what? We are going to draw a zigzag line straight down the middle of Humpty. I'm sorry, Humpty, but that's how the story goes. Next, we're going to cut the oval out. Cut all around the egg in the shape of an oval. Yep. Once we've cut him out, we are going to cut on that zigzag cracked line. All right, sorry, Humpty. Next, what do? we need our red piece of paper. We need our red piece of paper, and we need our brown paint and our Lego brick. So we are going to pour a little bit of brown paint onto our paper, just whatever you have set aside, and then you're going to take your Lego brick and you're going to stamp it on that brown paint. There we go. Now you're going to transfer that Lego to your red paper and stamp all over your paper. Try not to stamp over your rectangles. Go beside and under them in lines. This is going to be our brick wall that Humpty Dumpty sat on. So keep going. If you need a little bit more brown paint, pour a little more and get it on your Lego brick. And finally, after we have filled up the entire red paper, this is what it should look like. I'm so excited. So once it all dries, we are going to put a Humpty Dumpty at the top of our wall, and we are going to play out our story. Are you ready? All right, let's let our paint dry. Here we go. You can act out your Humpty Dumpty scene and sing it. Sing it to your mom and your dad or your brother or sister, whoever you have. I had fun today. I hope you did too. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye.